Hello everyone. This is for subject mathematics, class 7th, chapter number 2, fractions and decimals, and this is our lecture number 5. First, let us recall what we have learned in this chapter. We have started with the topic fractions and we have learned the meaning and types of fractions, how to add and subtract the fractions, how to multiply the fractions. Now in this lecture, we will learn how to divide the fractions. We will learn how to divide the fractions. Before division of fractions, let me ask you one example. Let me ask you one question, or you can say in the form of example. Suppose John has a paper strip of length 6 cm. He cuts this strip in small strips of length 2 cm each. Again I am repeating, John is having a strip of length 6 cm and he cuts this strip in smaller strips of length 2 cm. Now you know that how many number of strips he will get. He will get 6 divided by 2, that is 3 number of strips. This is only the division of whole numbers. Now again one more question. John cuts another strip of length 6 cm into small strips of length 3 by 2 cm each. Again I am repeating, John cuts another strip of length 6 cm into smaller strips of length 3 by 2 cm each. Now how many strips will he get now? He will get 6 divided by 3 by 2 strips. Now we will learn how to divide 6 by 3 by 2 in this lecture. So let us start our discussion with the division of fractions. First one is how to divide the whole number by a fraction. How to divide a whole number by a fraction. Let us find 1 divided by 1 by 2, what you will get. I am explaining this with an example. What you will do, we divide a whole into a number of equal parts such that each part is half of the whole. This is whole, this is circle is a whole part, and we have divided this into a number of equal parts such that each equal part is half of the whole. Now the number of such half parts would be 1 divided by 1 by 2. 1 divided by 1 by 2, as you have to divide for finding the smaller parts. Now observe the figure. How many half parts do you see? There are 2 half parts. So 1 divided 1 by 2 is equals to 2. Similarly, one more example I am taking. Let us find 3 divided by 1 by 4. That is number of 1 by 4 parts obtained when each of the 3 holes, these are 3 holes, are divided into 1 by 4 equal parts. Number of 1 by 4 parts obtained when each of 3 holes are divided into 1 by 4 equal parts. That is how many parts we are getting if you are dividing these 3 whole parts into 1 by 4 part of each whole, that is 12 parts. We can see that we are getting 12 parts. So you can observe that 3 divided by 1 by 4 will gives you 12. Now how you are getting these? This I have explained by this diagram. Now with mathematical calculation, how you will solve this division. As you are getting, your answer is 2. But how you are getting if you are simply dividing them? 1 divided by 1 by 2. For that one rule you have to remember. For simplification of division, first you have to convert the sign of division into multiplication. And if division is converted into multiplication, then you have to do the reciprocal of the last term. So here we have 1 divided by 1 by 2. First I have to convert this division into multiplication. For that you have to do the reciprocal of this. So reciprocal Before this, let me explain meaning of reciprocal. Reciprocal of a fraction is interchanging the numerator and denominator is known as reciprocal. Now let me explain meaning of numerator. Numerator is the how many parts. Suppose you have total, suppose 1 by 2 is a fraction. This 2 is the total parts and this 1 is the number of parts I am having. So numerator is the number of parts I am having and denominator is the total parts in which the whole is divided into. So here we have numerator as 1 and denominator as 2. So here also we have numerator as 2 and denominator as 1. If you are doing the reciprocal of this, you have to interchange them. Numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. This is how to find the reciprocal. Again, one more example I am taking. You have to find reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. Denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator. So reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. So let us learn how to divide. 1 divided by 2, 1 by 2, that is 1 into 2 by 1. You have to first change this division into multiplication. For that you have to do the reciprocal of the term which is just after the division. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Then again you have learned one concept that you have to use here, multiplication of whole with the fraction. Multiply the numerators or multiply the denominators and multiplication of denominator. Multiplying the numerator 1 into 2 you will get 2 and here the denominator is 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So it will be 2 by 1. So 2 parts you are getting. Same here, division will be first converted into multiplication and for that you have to do the reciprocal of the term which is just after the division. So you have to do the reciprocal of 1 by 4 is 4 by 1. So multiply the numerators divided by multiply the denominators. 3 into 4 is 12, 1 into 1 is 1. So you are getting 12. So in this way you have to divide the whole numbers by a fraction. Reciprocal I have explained and hope you have learned about this. Now come to the homework. Your homework is you have to read the pages 42 to 45 of NCERT and do question number 1, which includes, I think this question includes 7 parts and in your homework notebook you have to do, and question number 2 of 2.4 you have to do in book, and this also includes 6 parts. So this is your homework for lecture number 5. I request everyone to note down your homework. I hope you all have noted down. So now let us discuss the homework solution of the previous lecture, that is lecture number 4. I have given these questions for doing. What was the homework? Question number 1, question number 2 these 3 parts, question number 3 these 3 parts, question number 4 B parts, question number 7. These I have given in homework notebook, and question number 8 of 2.3 I have given this question that you have to do in your book. So let us discuss the homework solution. Here I am taking only the difficult parts or students in which you might face some difficulty. Come to question number 1 of exercise 2.3. I have given all the parts I have given, and this is only of 2 parts. This question includes only 2 parts. First I am explaining. You have to find 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. You have to find 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. So of means you have to convert this into multiplication. 1 by 4 into 4 by 3. Now multiply the numerator with numerators and denominator with denominators. What you will get? 1 into 4, 4 into 3, that is 4 by 12. Now convert in simplest form, that is 1 by 3. Question number 1, C part this is. Now question number 2, multiply and reduce the in lowest form. Reduce to lowest form. This is how to multiply the fractions 11 by 2 into 3 by 10. How you will multiply? You will multiply numerator to the numerator and denominator to the denominator. So it will be 11 into 3 over 2 into 10. So 33 by 20 is your answer. If you want to convert in mixed fractions, it's up to you. Now question number 3rd, I am taking 6th part. 2 whole 5 by 3 into 3. This is multiplication of a mixed number with the whole number. So for mixed number, you have to convert this in mixed improper fraction first. This is your improper fraction. Now how to multiply? This rule you have to apply. How to multiply the fractions? 13 into 3 over 5 into 1. This is the answer of this part. Question number 3rd, 6th part. If you want to convert in mixed, it's up to you. Now question number 8th of the same exercise 2.3. A car runs 16 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 whole 3 by 4 liters of petrol? Now the question is given, a car is running using 1 liter of petrol in running 16 km. And how much distance you have to that the car will cover using this liter of petrol. This question I will solve by unitary method. The thing which you have to find, that must be in right side. So here you have to find the distance. So that should be kept on RHS. So distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is given, that is 16 km. You have to find the distance covered in 2 whole 3 by 4 liter of petrol. Simply you have to multiply them. So this is mixed fraction. This is simply whole number. 11 by 4 into 16. Just multiplying the numerators and multiply the denominator. Here 16 divided. This is 16 by 1. So 44 kilometer that the car will cover this distance using this liters of petrol. This is all about lecture number 5. Thank you.